I had a very profound moment the other night, sitting next to my pool, watching sunset over the ocean. And I just had this very profound feeling again as I am walking in the sunshine on this beautiful beach next to the ocean. And this very profound feeling is tuned to a knowing and an understanding that I created all of this for myself. Nobody else created this reality that I have for me. It is a reality that I have chosen and manifested into reality by aligning with its frequency. So all of this beauty, all of this magic, this dream life that I'm getting to live is all my doing. And that means that all the difficult things, all the challenges, all the things I don't really like, those are also all me. It's all me. It's all you. And when we recognize, when we crack that code, and we actually understand, and we remember that we are influencing this holographic reality, and it is showing up the way that we have designed it for our own selves. When we understand that, it can be not only exhilarating and mind-blowing and expansive, but it can also be scary and confusing and mind-blowing, but mind-blowing in a way that kind of hurts, because the ego comes into play here. The element of our consciousness, the ego, acts as this filter that tries to get us to forget that we are in complete control. It's kind of big. And with all that said, I also have to add that for, 30, maybe 35 years of my life, I was living within the program. I was living within a limited bandwidth that was programming me to believe that I didn't have power, and that I wasn't choosing it all, that it was somehow being chosen for me, that reality was happening to me, that I was a victim. That's a big one. Victim mode is very third dimensional, and there's a lot of low-level frequencies associated with that. And I lived a lot of my life in that pattern, which is okay. And it's okay if billions of people out there have been living in that pattern. But imagine how amazing this earthly experience will be when more and more souls in human bodies awaken and decide to break out of the 3D. Because when we break out of the 3D, that's when we're choosing our creative power. We're choosing to override the system. And when we do that, when we achieve a fifth dimensional consciousness and state of being and frequency, we change from someone who's living in the program and definitely feeling like a victim to somebody who realizes they can write the program. Maybe they already are.